Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to find the model and serial number of your Mac. Let's have a look. Method number 1. Your Mac's serial number is printed somewhere on the Mac itself. So you will be able to find it if you can't turn your Mac on. Flip over a MacBook and you will see the model and serial number printed on the Mac itself. Method number 2. In About This Mac, you will find your Mac model and serial number. So, click Apple logo on the top left corner of the screen. Click About This Mac. This will provide an overview of your Mac, including serial number. Click System Report. The System Information app also shows your Mac model and serial number. Make sure hardware selected, and under hardware overview you will see model and serial number. Method number 3. If you don't have Mac with you, you can check model and serial number. First, open Safari or any other browser on your computer. Then visit appleid.apple.com. Click Sign In. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. After sign in, click Devices. And here you will find your Mac model and serial number. So these are the steps to find the model and serial number of your Mac. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.